What is good, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and today we are installing some ambient lighting that I got from Tik Tok Shop for only $19. Look at this. $19 on Tik Tok Shop. Will it be good? Will it be bad? I don't know, but it was $19. If it's bad, it's all good. Like, look at this, bro. $19 for, what, like 6 meters, I think it is, which is equivalent to, somebody said like 19 feet, I think is what it is. So today we're going to be installing that in the Mustang. Hope y'all like, subscribe, do whatever y'all want to do. I know a lot of y'all have been asking about ambient lighting, because like Mustangs, it's kind of hard to do ambient lighting, to be honest. Like, they don't really have many nooks and crannies. And like, even the door panel, like, you have to like take it apart to put lighting in there, which I probably will do eventually. It's just a temporary thing. Honestly, I just want to try it because it was so cheap. But yeah, with that being said, let's get into it. Now, I also did buy this dash cam off Tik Tok Shop. Video for that coming soon. But yeah, honestly, I've never really bought anything on Tik Tok Shop before. So saw these at the prices they were, and I was like, might as well try it. Might as well make a video for y'all on it. Especially if y'all wondering whether Tik Tok Shop is legit or not, or the products are quality. So that being said, let me show y'all. All right, so first we're gonna unbox it. Let's see what is in there. All right, so first we got the cable, and then the lights, obviously. And then we got the plug-in 12 volt. I think it'll fit, hopefully it fits in my dang center console, but let's see. So I know it's a little dusty, so y'all just ignore that a little bit. I gotta detail the car, but my aim was to put it right here as well as right here. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'll show you the progress as I'm, doing it. Ignore the zip ties. But as I'm doing, I'll show you the progress. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this side first, see how that goes. They also did provide one of these, so you can, throw it in there if you need it. But I think, let's see what this is. Might be instructions. Cool photo, I guess. But yeah, let's get on it. And another thing for those of y'all that don't know is you got to slide. I only got one hand for this, but you got to put basically this little line, like this little thing right here, into this, and then put it in. So yeah, let's try that. So far what I've done is I've just put it down here. I don't know if y'all can see it, which is actually probably a good thing, bro, because that means you can't really see this during the day. But I'm going to do the tubing first and then cut, because you can cut this, and then put the lights in it. So let's try that first. All right, y'all, so I routed it here. So here, down here, and then down here. And then I'm going to cut the excess. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have it go into here. Ignore the dirty cup holder, or sorry, center console. But I'm going to have it route through here. And then I'm gonna route it through this little tiny thing right here into here. So let's do that real quick. All right, y'all, so I took it down and I cut, hold on. So I cut this right here and I put the line in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just route it again and then do what I said I was gonna do earlier. All right, y'all, so here's this. It's a little light outside right now, so you might not see it as well, but what do y'all think? I personally like this. And this is just the one side. So let's go ahead and do the other one. All right, now it's time for me to do the other side. Here's how it looks from the driver's side. And I will show what this looks like in the dark. But yeah, honestly, it's not that hard to do. All right, so here we have the finished product. Looks good in my opinion. I routed it right here. But look, from the outside, this is how it looks when you're walking in. Like, honestly, it looks pretty good. Let me send the driver's seat and show y'all. All right, so this is what we're looking at now. This is worth it being like semi-dark outside, but bro, I think it sits right, bro. Like, it looks really good. A lot better than I thought it would, honestly. And I mean, obviously it doesn't like match the my color part, but I mean, I could change the color to purple. Yeah, so now like it matches perfectly, bro. Like, that is cool. And obviously $25 quality, or $19 quality, but I think it looks good, bro. What do y'all think? So now it's dark, I can show y'all. It's not darker, I can show you all a little bit better, but I basically routed it from the top of here all the way down here, through here and around, and then all the way back until we get to the glove box. I'm gonna do something with these wires here soon. This is just a video. I'm definitely gonna clear this up, but that's how it looks. Put some tape here, but obviously, it unstuck. But yeah, let me show you all what it looks like when it's completely dark. So this is what it looks like in just complete darkness. And honestly, it has a good amount of light output. Now let me key on real quick. So keyed on, bro, like it's still, and it matches the my color too, bro. Like the my color, it looks so good. It looks almost OEM. Like from this point of view, bro, you really couldn't tell that it's something that's like aftermarket. Now, this side right here is a little weird. I'm probably gonna have to like put a little bit of tape or glue to like get it to stay in. But honestly, with the way it sits right now, bro, I think it looks phenomenal. And for $19, bro, like obviously you can get the more higher class, like from Glow Ride. I know they offer theirs for like, I think a pack of 6 is like 100 and something or 150 right now. But this is like a bang for your buck. If you're not trying to like, break the bank for some LED lights inside your car, you can get something like this, bro. And I'm going to link the description, or I'm going to link the link to this in the description so that if y'all want to go look at it. But honestly, you can get it from Amazon, TikTok shop, whatever you want to do. But yeah, honestly, I think it looks phenomenal. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now, I thought about doing the door part right here too, but that requires me to take apart the door or like take off the door card, which I will do at some point for the higher class or higher end LED lights or interior lighting when I end up doing that with Glow Ride. But I didn't feel like doing all that for $19 ones. Not to say that $19 ones aren't good, but I just feel like that's a lot of work for something that might break. This is really just me showing y'all what it looks like when it's this cheap. With that being said, that is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And like I said, that dash cam video is coming soon. Dash cam off TikTok shop. So hope y'all enjoyed. Yeah, video is effectively over.